Celine bag, clutch-on strap in Triumph canvas and smooth calfskin. Introducing the new Celine clutch-on strap. This is a new bag with a rectangle shape. This small bag is one of Celine's best designs and it includes a minimalistic addition. The center of the bag comes with a notable leather strap that's linked to the decorative lock, which is quite large and in gold hardware, so all eyes will be focusing on that lock. It features a short handle for hand carry, but it also comes with a long leather strap for shoulder carry. The straps are thin and feminine looking. The interior comes with one main compartment, one inner flat pocket. Moreover, it comes in different leathers including smooth calfskin. So what do you think about this Celine clutch-on strap design? 7x3x2 in, 18x8x5 cm, Triumph canvas, trimmings in calfskin, textile lining, gold metal hardware, shoulder and hand carry, flap with decorative lock and snap button closure, a main compartment, a inner flat pocket, leather strap with 11 in, 28 cm, drop, leather handle with 3 in, 7.5 cm, drop.